Intersect is what's in both, so I is in both, A is in both. Union means I write down all of the first list and then all of the second list, but if I've already written it, I don't do it twice. So I have got T, L, Y. This is 5 to 4 in the afternoon. So it's 3:55, 3 o'clock in the afternoon is 1500 hours, 55. 1650 is 4:50 p.m. 1650 to 1912. Well, if we go up to 1700, that I've added on 10 minutes. Then to get to 1900, I've added on 2 hours. And then to get to 1912, I've added on another 12 minutes. So that's a total of 2 hours. 10 and 12 makes 22 minutes. 1914 is going to take 2 hours. Takes me to 21:14 and then 45 minutes, which takes me to 21:59. Just before 10 o'clock. Speed is distance over time. The distance is 638. The time, right, I've got 2 hours and 45 minutes. So 2 hours, that's 2 lots of 60 minutes. Plus the 45 is 165 minutes. So 638 divided by 165 is 3.86. Well, I can walk that speed, so that's not the speed of the train. I was working in minutes, so I need to multiply by 60. 232 is a sensible speed for a train. Right, accurate drawing. QPR, Q to P to R is 60 degrees. So put my protractor at P. Go from 0 round to 60. So my P to R line must be somewhere along there. Then I'm told that Q to R is 7.3. So using my compasses, I can set them to being 7.3. Start at Q. That's the point that's 7.3 away, so I can join that up. That's my 7.3 centimetres, and that's my 60 degrees. Shaded sector 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Unshaded with odd, so that's that one, that one, that one, or that one. There's 4 of them out of the 12. Now the probability is 7 or more, is that's 19 over 36, so less, it must add up to 1. So I could do that on the calculator, or I could say, how do I get from 19 to 36? I need to add another 17. Square numbers. So let's find out what squared. So this is 13 squared, and this is 15 squared. So in the middle must be 14 squared, which is 196. do the same with the cube. So if we do the cube root of 216, that shift in the square root symbol tells me it's 6. And the cube root of 512 is 8. So I must want 7 cubed. 7 to the power 3 is 343. There's only one prime number between 90 and 100, and that's 97. Right, a 3 on the bottom cancels with 1 on the top. And then I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4 3, so it's 3 to the power 4. Cube root, so that's the shift square root button of 35, is 3.2710, and it wanted me just the first 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've written 5 numbers. 2 significant figures, so that's just the first 2 digits, but the 2's followed by a 7, so the 2's going to round up to 3.